Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, yes, I have another human hair headband wig for you guys. This is a really nice, affordable one. This one is from OmgHerHair, so shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So I told you I would have more kinky straight options, which is like my favorite texture to wear because it looks so good with my hair type. So I'm gonna read the specs to you guys. So this is 14 inches, so this is the shortest kinky straight option I'm coming to you guys with because some of you guys like shorter wigs, so I wanted to get something a little bit shorter for you guys. On the website it says 150 is the highest you can get, so I'm gonna assume it's 150. It's natural black, a large cap because I have a big head. Okay, so the starting price for this wig is $84 for 10 inches, and I have 14 in this wig. With the density that I have is $109, so that is perfect. And if you use the code B10, you'll get $10 off of anything that's $109. So this wig will be $99. So this is a very good option, even though I haven't tried it on yet. But kinky straight wigs always work for me. Like, I don't think I've ever tried one that just sucked. So I'm having high hopes for this one as well. This one I did not wash before I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this straight out the box. This is a cap construction here. You have 3 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, a longer comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I have already laid my edges down with, of course, the Siesta Bomb Edge Control. I have this linked in my Amazon storefront. I think it does a good job of slicking down my type 4 hair. So here's the wig here. Very, very thick. So in the email it said 180%, which this definitely looks like 180, but I didn't see that option on the website. Okay, so this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Hope y'all can see the length well, even though I got on black. This is what it's looking like. Hey guys, so I am back. It is the next morning. It's actually Thanksgiving morning, so it's like super early. Trying to get some things done before, you know, the holiday starts and everything, and I, you know, eat dinner with my family. It's the next day. I wanted to go ahead and flat iron this wig out and just wear it, keep it simple. So you guys saw in the footage I had, I showed you it flat ironed, and then I did like a ponytail situation. I didn't show it all fleshed out because it was kind of a fail. And the reason why I'm coming today with like more footage is because I curled it and it was looking a hot mess like after the ponytail. But I was like, just keep it simple. Sometimes you don't have to do all that styling. You can just wear it down and it look nice. So this is what it looks like. It is very thick. This is probably, with my shorter kinky wigs or yucky wigs, I do prefer them to be probably a little bit thinner in density, because this is super thick for something that is, you know, 14 inches, but this could be a vibe for somebody. But I do feel like I would prefer it to be a lighter density if I'm going this short. The closest thing I can compare this to is my first wig's Abe, but Abe was a yucky texture. This is more of a blown out, thicker, kinky straight texture here. So they're not the same. Yeah, this one is only $99 with the Black Friday deal. So this is a really good price and a very natural look. You guys know I have type 4 hair, and I think this blends really well with my type 4 hair. And I didn't wash this one. I tend to wash all of my wigs, but you know, for time's sake, I didn't wash this, and I'm wearing this right out the box, and I just flat ironed it. But it still has a lot of movement to it, and I had a lot of hairspray in it from trying to put curls in it and stuff. So overall, I think this is cute. If you are going with, I feel like it would look better with curls if you got a lighter density, so keep that in mind. That's just my opinion though. But overall, I think this is a great buy, and you can't go wrong with kinky straight textures. I love them so much. I actually think I like kinky straight textures more than kinky curly textures. To me, I think they're a little bit less maintenance. Kinky curly wigs are like the highest maintenance. This is not as much maintenance as that, but very beautiful and a great price. I'm coming to you guys with another kinky straight textured headband wig in a few days, so just keep a lookout for that. It's going to be a little bit longer and a lighter density, but this one, great price and a nice look. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig, you can head over to OmgHerHair, take advantage of their Black Friday deals. Oh, and the cap size on this is a large and it's comfortable, so obviously. So I appreciate them having a large cap. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you are subscribed, turn on your notifications, follow me on all of my social media platforms, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys.